could be a twist, the one to make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my...
Kiss. Go on then. Oh. So excited. It is Thursday, which means it is a fly-in day. Which means Joey's coming home. Same girl. I'm just getting ready because we have to leave shortly, probably like an hour or so. Still have to do breakfast and that. Because I'm going to go help my best friend get an aircon for this weekend because she has 2 big events in her studio, which I'm actually so proud of her. She's come so far over the last couple of years. Like, I literally sent her a memory the other day and it was like us partying and I was like, oh, her lives have changed because we're both engaged. It's so crazy. But yeah, so crazy. Yes, darling. We're currently going through a regression and separation anxiety. I actually was doing a little bit of research and apparently it's normal. Obviously pregnancy, she is realizing that she is not going to be the only one soon, which is totally fine. I am soaking up the final days of it just being 3 of us. But when Joey gets home, she is such a daddy's girl. God, I actually need to get new makeup. If anyone knows or I'm running good brow pencils, please let me know because it's much needed. This one is nearly gone. And you know when you lose the lid for something because you've had it for so long? That's just it. That's what this point of it is. I feel like I get so overstimulated really easy. I don't know if it's that's just like part of being a mum, but obviously maintaining my emotions when pregnancy can be really hard sometimes. Can we not play with the bin, please? Just leave it. Where's the car? Show mommy the car. Car, yeah. It's just, yeah.
Yeah.
No? Like she is the best daughter, but being a mum in general can be very overstimulating, and I feel like other mums probably feel this way too. I actually need to get more makeup brushes because I use the same thing. Probably not meant to do that, but can't help that situation because I feel like over the years I haven't, oh my gosh. Today just like watch the flight thing because I'm like, when are you gonna be here? I'm so excited. Excited. So I just have to go through my pregnancy book and find all my glucose stuff because it's glucose test tomorrow, so that's exciting. But you don't realise how much stuff they give you. The worst thing about this glucose testing is like you have to fast, and I think that's the worst. Like, especially when you're pregnant and hungry, like it's no one actually understands the hunger.
Hey, push through to here.
Hello, mate. Can I grab
7-Eleven,
Yeah.
and Joey's dropping me off at the hospital to do my glucose test, so can't wait.
There's gastro, I suppose.
We'll see how long it takes for him to start reacting.
Definitely as much as a test.
Yeah. Update. Third test is done, and I'm just waiting for Joey to come and get me, and then we're going to Macca's because all I want is Macca's right now. Good morning. We are heading to the beach today, so we are just getting all ready. I am gonna get myself ready and then start prepping our food. But I'm so excited. I love a beach day. It just grounds me. Some forward driving and sometimes then as a family. Yours? An absolute essential. GoPro. 2 dummies because you can never go. A super normal thing, but when I don't know, maybe when I do a lot or something along the lines, I get so much oxygen in my head that my ears feel like I'm echoing, but I'm not.
You are echoing. You're repeating yourself.
So much love. I don't know how she's asleep.
She fucking loves it.
I have been up for so long. Winksy and Joey still asleep, but I just need a coffee. I am so sore. Like, I got sunburn yesterday, but my back is so sore. So, and I feel a bit dehydrated, but I think we're just having a day at home anyways. So I'm gonna start our YouTube video for Swan Adventures and have a coffee and just have a relaxed morning. Gosh, this is just like an example of how high my emotions are. I accidentally deleted the videos of the drone and then I'm sat here crying. I am so emotional today and I just feel so cranky. I literally just made TikTok, but thought I'd bring it over to the YouTube channel too. Can we just talk about that it's Feb? Excuse me. It's the 1st of Feb today, and I am just in so much shock Like, how is it fair? Where did that last month go? Why did it go so fast? Where's your shirt?
What do you mean?
Just to note how impulsive we are, we just bought 2 new phones. Love that for us. This whole morning, I have been trying to set up the content phone, so everything's over to my new phone now, and then also trying to upload all the GoPro stuff to make the YouTube video for the Swan Adventures. Plus having a severe headache doesn't really go, so just been trying to take my time this morning. Joey's out cleaning the garage. To add to that, I am actually going to go have a shower and just make myself feel a bit refreshed because I feel really disgusting. Honestly hoping this is nothing, but I just spoke to the midwives and they want me to go in and get my blood pressure checked because I have realised that my fingers are quite swollen and so my feet. I feel very yuck. I have a severe headache, so I think it's good that we can just go in, like even paracetamol is not doing it, so they just said to come in, get checked, and that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned because I was cleaning the house, but I don't think I should do that because I don't feel good. I just finished up in the hospital just to get checked. They think my body's reacting to the glucose, so that's why I feel the way I do, but it could be way worse. So I'm very, very grateful that I do not have preeclampsia and that I am okay. I think I personally need to hydrate myself a little bit more. But we're gonna go spend the afternoon at the beach in the shade and just relax.
Haribo's boat tomorrow and we'll go over to Rotto. We'll meet him over. Yep. Mate. Yeah. Mate.
Crazy he drives.
Oh, we got